What is machine learning? Explained simply. Machine learning sounds technical, but the idea behind it is incredibly simple. Today, you'll understand what machine learning actually is. Explain like you're 5. Let's break it down. Imagine teaching a child to throw a ball. They try, they miss, they adjust, they try again. Eventually, they get better. Machine learning works the same way. The AI tries something, gets feedback, adjusts, and improves. Here's the simple version. Machine learning is when a computer learns from examples instead of being programmed manually. Now here's what's actually happening. Step 1, data. The AI looks at tons of examples: pictures, text, audio, patterns. Step 2, patterns. It starts recognizing what's similar and what's different. Step 3, predictions. Based on these patterns, the AI learns to make predictions. This looks like a cat. This seems like positive sentiment. This is probably the next word. Step 4, adjustments. If it's wrong, it tweaks itself and tries again. Over millions of iterations, it becomes incredibly accurate. Here's a simple example. If you show a machine learning model thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, it slowly learns the tiny differences and eventually can tell them apart. So, in simple terms, machine learning is the process of teaching a computer to learn from examples, the same way humans learn. If you want more clear, visual AI breakdowns, subscribe to AI Unlocked.